I've had lots of requests about the seed tangle, so I just want to show you how you can draw C's anywhere and create something from them. Now, tangling for me is about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle is a bonus at the end. So what's really important to me as you follow this is, are you in a comfortable place? Are you making sure that you're not holding your breath? Are you making sure that you're not biting the inside of your cheek, clenching your jaw or your feet? Are you squeezing the pen too tight? Are you pushing down too hard with the pen? These are all ways that we move stress. We'll have it in one place and create tension, and then the minute we move it, we'll create it somewhere else. So tangling is, for me, teaches me that I need to always be on the lookout for where that stress is going. Address it and then move on. Because what happens is the outcome of the tangle looks much different if I have been calm and relaxed and I'm breathing and enjoying the whole process. Now, tangling is a great way, well, it was for me, to have a great introduction to the ego, which strives for perfection, and tangling is about the exact opposite. Tangling is about no mistakes. It is about having fun. It is about repetitively doing the same thing over and over again so that your mind gets a nice little break. So when I started tangling, I really had to constantly tell my ego to sit down, to back up, to whatever it was. And this is the outcome of that, is actually enjoying what I'm doing and following all those things and checking in with myself through the whole process. Now this tangle is sped up. This tangle probably took me 10 hours, and maybe the shading a little bit longer than that even, but I took my time. I love to begin it and then walk away and come back to it. If a tangle isn't turning out the way you want, walk away from it, because when you look at it with a different perspective, it may look different, and then you may want to add more to it. So tangles that you're not happy with, put them in a drawer, revisit them later. This is about self-care, taking care of you. Breathe, enjoy, repeat. Have a great day, everyone. See you soon.